closer. Can you get closer? I think the mic's going to struggle. How's that?
Yeah.
Like that or like that?
Yeah, can you crack on?
Hey?
It's rolling. Yes.
Oh, you need to say when the action shot. You need to say action or cut or action. Welcome to Cars in Isolation with me, Ross. Volvo V50, 2 litre diesel, the workhorse. This is what keeps the country going. Okay, maybe Sweden going, but
Sweden?
From Sweden.
I thought they were from Norway.
Are they from Norway?
I don't know.
What do we think to the Volvo?
It's a piece of shit. I don't know why we're doing it.
Well, this is a people's car. A lot of people drive Volvos. Let's have a look at the heart of this 2 litre diesel workhorse. It's a lot of plastic. I'm just trying to show on camera. That's Ford. Ford. Yeah, Ford. Let's have a look. What else is Ford? Oh, that's Ford as well. There's a lot of Ford in here. Well done, Volvo.
Why?
Somebody reliable to build your cars. Right, guys, Volvo V50, 2 litre diesel. Come on now, everybody come. We are filming. This. So, a few little things about it. 2 litre diesel. They're really good on fuel. I'm getting about 500 miles on the tank. 50 mpg, which is quite cool. It's a workhorse. Literally, daily driver, get to work, shove everything in the back of it. It's really spacious. We'll show the interior, we'll do some interior shots. Okay leather. You know, you got to remember this one's 2007. So 2007 leather, plasticky interior. This one's got the leather seats, the wood style. This is quite an iconic. I think they called it the drop or the waterfall. It's sort of it's hollow all the way through, which is quite interesting. Fake wood. It's a daily driver. These things they don't go for much, and they do go forever. This one, 150,000 miles. It's probably the 3rd or 4th one that we've had, and I've seen them do 250, 300,000 miles with not even breaking a sweat. So a bollard hit me right in the back there. I wasn't even moving and it hit me right up the arse. You can't believe it. I'm going to show you a special feature. As with all cars that you're a daily driver, you don't ever get round to fixing them, even though this lockdown's provided me with a bit of time to fix her up. But to open the tailgate, paperclip, 2 wires. Look at that. Obviously I'll get that fixed at some point. Ross's top tips of the day. What goes wrong with them? Not a lot. That's the end of the video. Joking, it's not. They're not 100% reliable like anything. I mean, this is what, 15-year-old? No, even older than that. Maintenance, keep up the maintenance
15
schedule.
15 years old?
Yeah.
13 years old?
13 years old. Well, I'm glad you're good at maths.
Well, I'm not. It's just basic.
Well, anyway, what I was saying is this maintenance. With the lockdown period, I've managed to do a few jobs because this actually, before the lockdown, failed the MOT on brakes, CV joint. There was a drive shaft knocking. So normal stuff which I've replaced. I've actually put new, because there's parts for these now are so cheap. I managed to get new drive shafts, £30 a pair. No, not a pair, £30 each, but still 60 quid for a pair. That's quite cool. So fixing them and keeping them on the road is actually pretty cheap motoring. Biggest thing that goes wrong with them, they've got a like an ECU, it's called a CEM. It's actually a big plastic box with all the gubbins in it, but it houses the fuses, and the circuit boards sometimes break down and cause all sorts of weird and wonderful things, ABS lights. But I'll put a link in the description for a good place that refurbishes them, and pretty much that's it. Keep up with the maintenance, and just keep driving it. I mean, I've seen these with 300, 400,000 miles on the clock. So I know this is not your Ferrari, this is not anything special. It's a plain old Volvo 2-litre diesel, but I think they've got a place. You know, they're cheap, relatively easy to maintain, they're pretty much a Ford, and you know, cheap motoring, daily driver, big boot. I mean, you could go to the tip run in that and half your house will fit in the back. A little special thank you. This is our 5th episode, and we just want to thank to everybody watching. I didn't really think I would get past 1 subscriber, but we have, surprisingly enough. So thank you. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and we'll keep making it until you tell us to fuck off. Please like, share, and subscribe.